Gorilla, high-grade gold growth with a focus on Western Australia. Key operational highlights, 3 projects in Western Australia. We really started in earnest our activities in October last year. And we have just ramped up incredibly quickly. So drilling currently with 6 rigs. We've drilled all of our projects so far. So we've made great discoveries at the Comet Vale project, at the Lakeview prospect recently. It's looking very material, and we've got 3 rigs drilling at Lakeview right now. The Mulwarrie project, we've intercepted thick, high-grade gold, 300 meters down dip of previous mineralization. So a great start there, and we've got 3 rigs currently drilling at Mulwarrie. And our other project, Vivien, we've put out a maiden resource, very solid maiden resource at Vivien as well. So that's quite a lot of work in the last 6 months. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the support of our shareholders and some major funds coming in to back us as well in the last 6 months. So I think the overarching theme of what we're doing is we're just doing a lot of things really quickly and getting really good support along the way. So Lakeview, we discovered this maybe 2 months ago now. And in that time, we've continued to get thick, high-grade intercepts. And we've got thick, high-grade gold intercepts, greater than 10 meters, greater than 10 grams per ton, over 500 meters of strike now. And it's still going, it's still open, down dip, along strike, down plunge. And we're still ramping up our exploration efforts at Lakeview. And so I guess the real importance there is it's really demonstrating that this system is still strong and open along strike. And other things that we've found recently is that there are parallel structures to this that we're just starting to test now as well. So multiple parallel structures in a similar orientation that haven't been drilled either. So things are looking pretty interesting there. The maiden resource for Vivien is our benchmark. It's the platform for future growth and future exploration at that project. It will help us to really select areas where we should be focused on moving forward at Vivien. In terms of priorities, I think it's fair to say that the Lakeview discovery is our #1 priority at this stage. So we are still drilling at Mulwarrie, but Lakeview is turning into something pretty significant and will remain to be our #1 priority. The latest results from Mulwarrie. So we've got 3 rigs going at Mulwarrie. Just as a bit of background, we acquired this project from Genesis Minerals in November last year, got permitting done straight away, and got drilling in early February. And we've had some really good results straight away from Mulwarrie. So 300 meters down plunge of the resource at Mulwarrie, we've hit pretty good high-grade gold mineralization. I think it's 5 at 15, something like that, in those holes. And we've had some other infill holes as well that have come back with pretty good grades. So for Mulwarrie, it's a high-grade gold system over 1 kilometer long with multiple stack loads. And really our strategy for Mulwarrie is to grow it as quickly as possible, grow the resource base as quickly as possible. It's close to lots of mills. There are multiple mills within 100 kilometers. And actually it's pretty close to the Comet Vale project and Lakeview as well. So some interesting synergies there.